So this holiday train travels all over North America, and it collects cash and food donations for food banks. So please feel free to give generously when you have an opportunity to share a meal with another person. Oh, it's going slow. It's so nice. It's so pretty. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. And at certain towns it stops and it gives a musical presentation with completely local artists, well, Canadian artists, American artists, artists. And they collect food donations at each of these stops, and it is a great way to fill those hampers for the food bank. Oh, is this ever cool? Oh, wow. Can you guys see that? Oh, it's amazing! Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. And this car is a snowman with the train waving with Rudolph and presents. And this car has a house with some fireplace and a nutcracker and a sleigh and a snowman. Oh, and they're playing music. This train is snowman and Santa dancing on the ice. Celebrating Canada's 150th birthday in the train car. I think that's the one that the musicians perform out of. There's a reindeer and a snowflake. Oh, how cool was that? And that looks like the end of the CP holiday train.